How you doing, YouTube? Today we're going to be looking at my brand new Chronos Mini by Skytech Gaming. I got this here for streaming, trading, and editing, so let's take a look. Let's go through the unboxing real quick, and then I'll go into my review of the machine, of what I got so far. Came in this nice color packaging. I guess UPS did a good job not damaging it too bad, and we got a good image of the size and scale of what this machine has, right? By Skytech Gaming. We got the RGB, colorful box, colorful machine. A few cuts. Pop this bad boy open and take a look at what we have inside and start unboxing this. Looks like we got some power cords, a mouse. Already have a mouse, so this will be just an extra. Some Wi-Fi antennas. Looks like the computer came in a cool bag here. I guess it came with a keyboard. I have one already. Looks like we got a manual in here. Pull that out. Skytech Gaming, and we'll take a look at this. So we're gonna go inside the folder and see what's in here. We have a thank you for buying note, a business card, and then we have a quality control card. Looks like May 11th it was inspected. A maintenance guide, tells you how to take care of the computer. The troubleshooting guide in case you need to fix any problems that arise out of owning the PC. Gonna put all these things back in, close it back up, and see where we go from here. So I'm gonna pull this out of here. I'm gonna flip it over, and we're gonna take a look and see what's inside. It looks like the computer comes with a bag. It's wrapped up pretty good. We're gonna check it out. Came packaged pretty nice. In this bag here. Comes in this nice Skytech Gaming. Do a quick little rundown. Some HDMI ports, a couple display ports. I believe this graphics card is a 2060. We got enough ports in the front for accessibility, the power, LED lights, microphone, headset, USB, and USB 3.0. We've got some RGB, we'll check that out, and a plexiglass side with a warning. Before we go any further, this is the mess of a setup I have now. So we're gonna need to clear this off and get on moving to the new setup. Clear, let's go on to the machine. The machine came with an MSI GeForce RTX graphics card, an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, and a lot of fans. We have a 600 watt power source and a small, compact, mid-sized tower that fits nicely on my desk. The reason I chose to buy a pre-built as opposed to buy all the parts and put it together myself was because it just came out to be way cheaper. I normally would like to build my machines, but this machine, when priced out separately, was almost $1,000 more. This is all I needed as far as processing power and memory, so this is why I chose this machine over others. Obviously, RGB is the cool, hip, new thing, and I've always liked good lighting, so I had to go with the nice, customizable RGB case. So as far as build quality, this machine is pretty sturdy. I've had no issues yet. Everything seems to be put into place exactly as it should have been. We have no scratches, no cracks on the plexiglass, so that's good as well. It seems like everything was handled very good on shipping. This was all the PC I needed for what I want to do at the moment. It's going to be used strictly for trading, live streaming, and editing videos like the one we're doing right now. So I'm running a test on the editing quality and the speed of processing, the exporting to YouTube and all of that. You will get a better review. I'll edit in my description down below as well. I am expecting a new monitor come Tuesday. So right now we're using the old one. This is an Acer. It's an older model, a few years old, but coming next is the LG curved 34-inch screen. So we're going to get a good view of that as well. So look out for more videos come this week. I am going to start my streaming back up again now that I have a PC that can handle all the power, and we're going to go from there. Until next time, peace out.